That's gonna be the beginning of the video.
Is that fun?
We go really far out. We're out in the middle of the ocean. Hi. So during the day, it was warm, right? And now we're at Angler's Steakhouse.
Angler's Steakhouse? You mean lobster?
It's a guppy. She said that to Aunt Laura.
What?
Guppy.
Oh, Smiley. Here, Addie, we're
After she's done.
An apple juice? Sure.
Yeah,
Oh, can she?
double lobsters. Where are we? Searsport?
Searsport.
North Carolina?
Maine.
Oh, Maine. Oh, wow, look at that. That's pretty. Oh, the front doors are amazing.
I know. Beautiful, isn't it?
1854. There you go. Beware, beach erosion below. Flows. So now we're at Searsport Beach with everybody. Pretty neat. Oh, look at this rock. Now that's a wall. Look at that wall.
Yeah, so when we came
Trying to get over there to that island.
Oh my God, Dad. This
Look, yeah, it opened up, dude. You're right. Look.
Yeah.
Dad.
Another 5 minutes.
Another 5 minutes,
Dad,
we're gonna walk
this
there.
is the flattest rock that I'm gonna be able to skip.
All right,
Ready?
skip it. Let's see.
Here we go!
Hope the tide doesn't come in. We go really far out.
Look how big this is!
I'm gonna drop a pin on my map so we can like see where we are. You know, like we're out in the middle of the ocean. Walk, cause you might fall right through.
What?
Oh, you're able to walk right over it? Oh.
Look at that.
This might be the first house in Searsport, not sure, but it has number 1 in front of it. 1820. It's a really cool house. I don't know what that is. That's a big building. I don't know what that looks like. A kid. What? No, I'm walking in the road.
Practice what you preach.
I practice what I preach. I'm not a preacher.
You're a father.
Old stuff, young stuff. Town of Sears. This is Town Hall. Or municipality building. That looks like the police station. This looks like an antique store. Oh, they have clothing sale.
That's what I just said.
I wonder if they have any family DIY t-shirts.
No, they don't.
No? No family DIY t-shirts?
You're not that old.
I knew it was someone's house. All right. Back to the bar.
I'm confused. Or anything, because they're ripping up the road out here.
Yeah, what they're going to eventually do is put brick sidewalks and like old-fashioned light lamp posts and everything along it, so it should be nice when they finish it.
This is the old bank vault. Oh, wow, look at this door. Oh my God, it's so heavy.
What's inside? It's Alice in Wonderland.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go.
Where are we on our way to today?
Where are we going?
Acadia National Park.
The Acadia Highway.
This is the way to Acadia National Park.
No, she saw that like it was like.
We're about 2 minutes away from Acadia National Park. Oh, wow, look at that. It's beautiful.
Hi! Eyes on the road. This is Sarah.
Wow. Hi. Hey. I'm assuming this goes to the beach.
Turn them to a game. Take the best I saying, put them on display, on repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer.
I want to take my shoes off.
You can take your shoes off, I think.
We should probably put this up.
All right, so now we're at Thunderhole. Let's see what Thunderhole's all about.
We're not gonna go far.
Oh, yeah.
This is so dangerous.
Oh, yeah, this is a Thunderhole.
Sorry. Holy smoly, look at that view. Stay here, Katie. You too. Do not go past these rocks. This is gorgeous.
This is cool.
This is really cool.
Probably fish all the time. Oh!
Oh, that's like really far down.
Bar Harbor lobster bakes. Fresh Maine lobsters served daily. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Wild Maine.
Alright, so today is Wednesday, and today we decided to chill by the lake, you know, and just enjoy some beverages and see how the day goes, you know what I mean? Maybe order some food in, chill a little bit, a little espresso. Let's see how everyone's doing down by the lake. So we're gonna light a fire. We're gonna use a pull start fire. It says remove the yellow tab. Pull. Number 2 is loop it around a log. All you do is you pull start fire it. We got it. That's a fire, baby. Cool. Hey, what's up? This has been maybe 5 minutes, and we have like a full fire. Done nothing. The stuff is amazing.
Real up close.
Double marshmallow.
Should make a start a second channel with fires and dumb songs to the fires.
Do you have a flashlight?
I have on my phone. Oh my God, look at the sun. Oh, this isn't picking up anything.
This is crazy. Can you do it with
Never seen the
yourself?
moon